KPF has been forging a new era in Vietnam, the land of opportunity. KPF VINA, established in 2010. KPF, the one and only corporation that manufactures fastener products with both high quality and competitive pricing. The essential hub for global business. KPF VINA, where KPF's unparalleled production know-how and accumulated technological capabilities are concentrated. Based on the global network developed over many years, it ensures to provide the same fast product supply and services as a local provider in every corner of the world. KPF VINA's distinct competitiveness lies in the large-scale production capabilities generated by Vietnam's rich human resources and through quality management achieved by holding international standard certifications. KPF VINA uses design tools AutoCAD and Creo to complete the basic design and ensures the design quality by verifying design completion through forging simulation programs. Spheroidized annealing, drawing, cold forging, thread rolling, heat treatment, coating, packing. KPF operates a one-stop production line to achieve high quality standards. Spheroidized annealing. In order to forge a product with complex shapes, the raw material must have good workability. This is achieved by spheroidized annealing heat treatment. Spheroidized annealing heat treatment facilitates cold forging and enables the development of various products. Drawing. It is one of the metalworking techniques utilized in producing materials to the specifications required by the customer. The process entails pulling metals through dies to create the desired product shape and specifications. Cold forging, thread rolling. Cold forging is a plastic working technique where metal is held in a die at room temperature and an external mechanical force is applied to form the shape of the product. Thread rolling is a process to create thread, utilizing the metal's plasticity by rolling material between thread rolling dies. KPF VINA has enhanced productivity by incorporating the thread rolling machine in the process. It has also established a separate thread rolling line for producing thread rod. Heat treatment. The essential technology for producing parts is heat treatment. KPF is highly experienced in manufacturing and produces higher quality of products through our technical know-how, such as water cooling and oil cooling, QT, and non-oxidizing tempering. Coating. The biggest competitive strength of KPF VINA lies in the incorporation of coating in the process. Zinc flake coating produces the optimal product that takes into consideration the diverse coating treatment requirements of machinery and heavy equipment customers. Zinc plating is a surface treatment process that involves having zinc attached to a metal surface through an electrochemical process. We own a hot dip galvanization line. Packing. The final process of putting the product in the container in defined quantities before shipment. It provides a customized packing solution to match the diverse packing requirements of customers. KPF VINA owns a professional testing laboratory that complies with the requirements of international standards for testing facilities ISO 17025. It has implemented meticulous testing and inspection facilities for the quality verification of fastener products. A systematic quality inspection system which doesn't overlook any details. KPF is the barometer of global quality. KPF VINA creates the value of coexistence through transparent management practices, including environmentally friendly, social responsibility management, and improvement in governance structure. we are practicing ESG management for sustainable growth. KPF Combination, an unbreakable union that fulfills the value of the industry. KPF Connection, we connect the world and people. Together, we foster a synergy that strengthens, bringing limitless possibilities of success. Parts and fasteners, global top tier, KPF.